woodpeckers are fascinating birds that belong to the Picidae family. Known for their unique behavior of pecking on trees, these birds have captured the attention of nature enthusiasts and ornithologists alike. This video will delve into various aspects of woodpeckers, including their physical characteristics, feeding habits, habitat, communication, and their importance to the ecosystem. Firstly, woodpeckers are medium-sized birds with strong bills and sharp claws, which are specifically adapted for their pecking behavior. Their bills are long and chisel-shaped, allowing them to efficiently excavate holes in trees. Additionally, these birds possess stiff tail feathers that provide support and balance as they cling to vertical surfaces or drum against trees. Secondly, woodpeckers are primarily insectivorous creatures. Their diet mainly consists of insects, larvae, and ants that they extract from the bark of trees. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. They use their bills to drill holes and extract the prey. However, woodpeckers also consume berries, fruits, nuts, and sap from trees, acting as essential seed dispersers. Thirdly, woodpeckers can be found in various habitats worldwide, such as forests, woodlands, and even urban areas with suitable trees. Some woodpecker species, like the hairy woodpecker, prefer mature, deciduous forests, while others, such as the red-headed woodpecker, favor open woodlands. Each species has specific nesting requirements, which leads to the development of distinct habitats within their range. Moreover, woodpeckers communicate using a combination of vocalizations and drumming on trees. Vocalizations include calls and distinct drumming sounds. The latter involves rapid pecking against resonating surfaces, such as hollow trees or even man-made structures, to create a loud noise. This drumming behavior serves multiple purposes, such as attracting mates, communicating territory ownership, and establishing dominance. Furthermore, woodpeckers play a crucial role in maintaining forest ecosystems. Their drilling behavior creates cavities in trees that are used by other bird species, such as owls and cavity-nesting ducks, for nesting. These cavities also provide shelter for various mammals and insects. Additionally, woodpeckers help control insect populations, ensuring ecological balance by feeding on pests that could otherwise damage trees. In terms of reproduction, woodpeckers are typically monogamous. They build nests within tree cavities, excavating the holes themselves. The entrance to the nest is usually small to protect against predators. Inside, they create a cozy nest chamber where the female lays her eggs, typically ranging from 3 to 5 per clutch. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the hatched chicks until they are ready to leave the nest. Woodpeckers are also admired for their ability to withstand the intense impact from their pecking behavior. This is due to their unique adaptations, such as a specialized skull structure with spongy bone, which acts as a shock absorber. Additionally, Their tongue is long and wraps around their skull to provide extra cushioning and support during rapid pecking. These adaptations protect the woodpecker's brain and internal organs from damage caused by the repetitive drilling action. In conclusion, woodpeckers are captivating birds with remarkable adaptations and behaviors. From their chisel-shaped bills to their drumming behavior, they have evolved to thrive in various habitats across the globe. Their role as insectivores, seed dispersers, and nest providers highlights their importance in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Studying and appreciating woodpeckers allows us to better understand the intricate tapestry of nature and the interconnectedness of different species. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.